Well, the weather is nice, and the closest city with which is whether in Italy or Croatia, and this time, hit the road to Italy. Northeast part of Italy, the most famous city is Trieste, that I first saw this name in the train station of Venice, when I was heading to Treviso. Trieste, an ancient seaport city located at the head of Adriatic Sea, boasts a rich and complex history marked by various rulers and significant geopolitical shifts. Arrived at the bus station of Trieste, but no time to rest. Searched the ticket purchasing point and purchased ticket.
Grazie.
Why no sound?
Okay.
Did I buy the wrong ticket or the machine is broken? Somehow it's scanned.
Okay.
It would be better if there is beep sound. Here, where the emerald embrace of the Adriatic meets the dramatic coastline of Trieste, lies a sliver of land imbued with both natural splendor and echoes of bygone era. But sadly, it is forbidden to swim here if you are human. It is a big shame, and I can see the pigeons are allowed to enter this VIP area. Here, nestled within the meticulously curated gardens of Italy's Miramare Castle, beauty blossoms, even amidst the legacy of stormy past. Focal point of serene artistry reveals itself, the fountain. More than just a decorative element, it is a living sculpture, a symphony of water and stone. And then, the striking contrast, a fiery explosion of red flowers that defy the verdant green. These aren't just any blossoms, they are a testament of enduring power of nature's artistry. Beyond the architectural grandeur of Miramare Castle, its meticulously sculpted gardens descend in a cascade over verdant terraces, drawing the eye inexorably towards the boundless horizon. Amidst the serene beauty of cultivated flora, the Adriatic Sea unveils itself in a breathtaking display, framed by the artful hand of landscape design. Cannons were aligned along a terrace overlooking the sea, as planned by Archduke Maximilian. see the amazingly beautiful building. I don't know much about the building, but I can tell you this. It's a toilet. This seemingly simple act is a microcosm of adaptation. These are creatures of the open ocean, yet they have learned to thrive on the fringes of civilization. Their instincts point to capitalize on the abundance, if unconventional, offerings of the human world. As the Mediterranean sun dips below the horizon, casting the ancient stones of Trieste in hues of amethyst and rose, another, more ethereal, voice begins to echo through the city's labyrinthine streets. From countless steeples etched against the darkening sky comes the timeless symphony of church bells. As twilight deepens and the last vestiges of the sun fade from the horizon, Trieste's elegant city center undergoes a remarkable transformation. The daytime bustle softens, giving way to a more intimate, illuminated campus. With a sudden, accelerating leap, the surface is breached for a fleeting instant. The very moment of entry is marked by a sudden eruption, a mesmerizing cloud of bubbles. The water is not merely clear, it is vibrant, living emerald. Sunlight scattering into 1,000 shimmering fragments. Each ray transforms the water into a vast illuminated cathedral, painting the unseen world with strokes of pure gold. And within this radiant tableau, life thrives in silence, mesmerizing motion, countless fishes swim. Sometimes they form a shimmering synchronized cloud, a living tapestry that weaves and reforms with astonishing unity. This schooling behavior is a silent, intricate dance, a strategy for survival against the larger denizens of the deep. Each tiny body, a flash of silver or a speck of color, becomes an integral part of this synchronized ballet. They move with almost telepathic precision, turning on a dime, surging forward, or swirling into intricate, ephemeral shapes. From the sun-dappled shallows to the deeper, more mysterious currents, these living clouds traverse their world. Arching for sustenance, avoiding danger, their collective journey a testament to a primal power of unity. Beneath the shimmering surface, in a realm of shifting sands and whispering currents, an unexpected encounter unfolds. As the human hands, an alien presence in this aquatic world descends, a sudden, primal instinct ignites. As a solitary finger encroaches upon its territory, a subtle shift in water pressure, the fleeting shadow, triggers an immediate, resolute defense. After this magnificent adventure underwater, wash myself and drying my clothes, but now I feel huge thirst. Thankfully, there are 1 or 2 restaurants around here, half an hour by foot. It is time to replenish some sugar to my blood vein and be hydrated with lemon soda. Oh no, it's Italy, so tiramisu and limoncello without any alcohol. Its layers are a delicate architecture of velvety mascarpone, coffee-soaked savoiardi, and a whisper of cocoa, testament to culinary artistry. Each spoonful is a journey of textures and tastes, a rich bittersweet symphony that melts on the tongue, a moment of pure, unadulterated pleasure. And to accompany this sweet surrender, the vibrant, sun-drenched spirits of southern Italy, here transplanted to the north, limoncello. The first sip is a revelation, cool, sweet, and intensely citrusy, a vibrant counterpoint to the tiramisu's luxurious depth. According to the map, there's supposed to be a place to buy bus tickets.
No! Oh God, please, no! No! No!
But cannot see anything, no other way but to buy on the bus.
It's not so easy.
If you want to go home, you gotta download this app. You can use the application and purchase the ticket first. And then, you can scan the QR code with the scanner that's supposed to be located at the entrance of the bus. The airport is an international airport located about 33 kilometers northwest of the city of Trieste. It serves as an important intermodal hub with good connection by train, bus and car to Trieste, Udine and nearby Slovenia and Croatia. The color of this airport very much makes me feel I'm in a swimming pool. Snowing, eh?
One eternity later.
The plane departed, but never expected this is coming. Well, that was kinda fun. And why my pants is wet?